What's up, guys? It's me, Gmake. So here's my beloved Fossil watch. I really love this watch. It's one of the best watch. I really like the big design. It's around, I think, around 50 millimeter. But one other thing I do not like is the leather band. Normally, I love this leather. This is the original leather band. But I want to wear my watch every day. These days, pandemic in coronavirus, I have to wash my watch every day. Due to that, I could not wash the leather band. I have to clean it. I have to wipe with some kind of alcohol or antiseptic tissue. Due to that, I said I'm going to put a silicone. After that, I'm going to wash my watch with the soap under the tap every day. So I this one order from Amazon for around 10, I think $12 to be precise. Okay, let me take out. I will be throwing the link in the description box below. If you wanna change for this watch, it's around 24 millimeter band you need. Okay, there will be some instruction. Okay, for Casio you have to do like this. Again, mostly you're going to use with this one is for Fossil because there are very few 24 millimeter band watches out there. Okay, and then let me take out the tools. Because this Fossil is one of the, I think, only other than there will be some diesel watch which will be utilizing the 24 millimeter band. Okay, this is some kind of pick. I have no idea what it is. Okay, and what is this? I just cannot take out. Let me just put this one here. Okay, I don't want to hurt myself. Oh, wow, it was quite tough. And then here is the Fossil watch foot. So you have to just slide out this one. Let me take out this one also. Let me do like this. It was quite easy. Can you see this pin? Can the camera focus or not? Yeah. And then here we go. Wow, it was quite simple, but putting can be a little bit hard. Okay, how did I take out? Okay, this one will be come here, right? The watches are like this, right? Yeah, right. Let me just. Oh no, don't want to lose it. They give you one extra because sometimes you can be an idiot like me. Okay, here I go. And then I went with this camo gray silver color. Now it can be a little bit hard. I think we are done with this one. Wow, it was quite easy. Make sure to use this side. Can you see this one? And then here we go. Okay, no, it doesn't went inside. Okay, you can hear a lock. Okay, so ready lock. And then let me just put on my wrist and show you. Let me just make a little bit higher the camera so you can easily see. Guys, what do you think? How it look compared to this leather one? I love this one. This one is a genuine Fossil leather band. There's no doubt. but I want something like cool. How my watch look right now. Yeah, you can get away with black, but I like this color. It have like gray with some kind of like a camo blue color with black inside. Let me make it more tighter. Guys, tell me how my watch is looking, how I'm looking. So yeah, subscribe, and I have to say bye to you. Bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.